Lords and most esteemed fellow members, we gather here today to honor the 150th anniversary of our prestigious society. And in order to celebrate such festive occasion in its true colors, we shall revive the famous inaugural speech of our father, the eminent Dr. John Dolittle. May his words enlighten us once more in our services. I do not understand the human race. It has so little love for creatures with a different face. Eating animals like people is no madness or disgrace. I do not understand the human race. I wonder, why should we treat animals like animals? Animals treat us so very well. They do both the ways they serve us and protect us when they nervous. All they raid on is ours, all we give them is hell. Tell me how else may we praise them? Do we ever think to praise them? No, we don't, and this dismays them, you can tell. We are rid of ingratitude and give no love or attitude. In every way our attitude is, well, like animals. No, that's not what I mean. I mean, why should we treat animals like animals? How can people be so inhumane? Cows and chickens want to feed us, dogs and horses show they need us, and though cats and always hate us, their affection is plain. What do? We neglect them, we do nothing to protect them, we reject them, don't expect them to complain. We ignore them or we beat them, when they're hungry then we eat them. It's appalling how we treat them, it's insane, like animals. We humiliate and mother and confine them. We create the righteous status, then we use it to malign them. I mean, why should I say treat it like a dog? Why should I say working like a horse? Why should I say eating like a hog when what we mean is eating like a man, don't we? Of course. A man of your repute is called a weasel or a rat. A woman who is like becomes a vixen or a cat. A family that is blessed to have reproductive habits occasions a remark where you know them, we drink like rats. He's as stubborn as a mule, he's as stupid as an ox, he's as lying as a snake, he's as crafty as a fox. Remarks like that really get my goat. Why don't you say, noble as a frog? Or why don't you say, wealthy as a hen? True, we say devoted as a dog, but what you should say is chic as a giraffe. Pretty as a pig, eh? That should be the bit they wanted, but when? But when? But when? When will we stop treating them like animals? Is the human race entirely mad? Women see a baby goat skin or a lamb skin or a stone skin, but to them it's just a cold skin, or it's terribly sad. When you dress in suede or leather or some fancy fur or feather, do you stop and wonder whether for a friend you have killed some beast or other, and you're wearing someone's brother, or perhaps in someone's mother, in which you're glad, like animals, like animals, like animals. It's true. We do not live in a zoo. But man is an animal too. So why aren't you like me? Like animals?
Who controls the British crown? Who keeps the metric system down? We do. We do. Who gives Atlantis us off the maps? Who keeps the Martians under wraps? We do, we do. Who holds back the electric car? Who makes Steve Gutenberg a star? We do, we do. Who robs Kate Fish of their sight? Who rigs every Oscar night? We